everyone, welcome to Ecoholics. In this video, we'll be studying what is arithmetic mean and we'll also be discussing methods for calculating arithmetic mean. Let's first start with what is arithmetic mean. So, arithmetic mean of given set of observations is sum of all the observations divided by total number of observations. So, the formula for calculating arithmetic mean is x bar is equal to summation x by n, where x bar stands for arithmetic mean, summation x stands for sum of all the observations and n stands for total number of observations. Now, let's understand this concept with help of an example. So let's take a simple example. So we have marks scored by students. So marks scored by students are 15, 20, 25, 30 and 35. Now for calculating arithmetic mean, we have the formula as x bar is equal to summation x by n, where summation x stands for sum of all the observations. So we have 15 plus 20 plus 25 plus 30 plus 35, and n stands for number of observations. So we have number of observations as 5. This gives us x bar is equal to 15 plus 20 gives us 35, 35 plus 25 gives us 60, 60 plus 30 gives us 90 and 90 plus 35 gives us 125. So we have 125 divided by 5, which is equal to 25. So our arithmetic mean in this case would be 25. Now before getting started, now let's understand what is frequency. So what is frequency? If we want to find out how many students scored 10 marks in a certain examination, and if we have 5 students who scored 10 marks in an examination, so in this case our frequency becomes equal to 5. Now let's look at the types of series. So first we have individual series and we have frequency series. So first we'll understand what is individual series. So individual series are those series which do not have frequencies of different items of the series. Instead, we only have the values of different items. Now let's take a very simple example. So we have marks scored by students 15, 20, 25, 30 and 35. So in case of individual series, we do not have frequencies for different items of a series. Instead, we only have the values. So these are our values. Now, what are frequency series? Frequency series are those series which have frequencies. Frequency series are further divided into discrete series and we have continuous series. So discrete series is also known as frequency array, and frequency distribution is also known as continuous series. But in this video, we'll only be studying individual series, and in our future videos, we'll be discussing frequency series. So let's first understand what is ungrouped data. Ungrouped data is raw data, something that has not been sorted into any groups or categories. In that, we'll study individual series. So in case of individual series, we have 3 methods for calculating arithmetic mean. First, direct method, second, assume mean method, and third, step deviation method. But in this video, we'll only be studying direct method. So in case of direct method, the formula is x bar is equal to summation x by n, where x bar stands for arithmetic mean, summation x stands for total value of items or sum of all the observations, we can take, and n stands for number of items or total number of observations. Now let's look at this example. So the pocket allowances of 10 students is 15, 20, 30, 22, 25, 18, 40, 50, 55 and 65. Find out the average pocket allowance. So we'll use this formula. So now arithmetic mean in this case would be equal to summation x by n. So we'll sum all the observations. 15 plus 20 plus 30 plus 22 plus 25 plus 18 plus 40 plus 50 plus 55 and plus 65 divided by the total number of observations. So here we have 10 students. So in this case our n becomes equal to 10. So we're divided by 10. X bar is equal to, so this sums to 340 divided by 10. So our x bar becomes equal to 34. So the average pocket allowances of 10 students is equal to 34. That's it for this video. In our future videos, we'll be discussing other methods as well. So do like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.